Welcome to episode 1 of our backyard makeover series. This is going to be a very long series, probably over years, and I thought it would be fun to bring you guys along with us.
I wanna get away from every little thing just to try to make it through. I've been thinking about my options, every detail in my head.
We're going to start the series off by doing a little backyard cleanup. The kids have toys literally everywhere, so before we get started, we have to clean all of that up. I am also so excited because we actually hired concrete people to come and do the concrete. Chris was originally going to do it all by himself, but we decided to hire it out because we just needed so much of it.
But I still have my doubts. Maybe this time next year I'll have this all figured out. I'm wondering what to feel.
So Chris is just putting some of the finishing touches on the retaining wall. Now this is not what it's going to look like. We eventually want to plaster it all, but we just wanted to get the bones of it complete before the concrete people come because we need them to lay a concrete pad up on top of it.
I feel my edges fading. I've been fighting sleep so long, finally shut my eyes. And I woke up brand new.
Okay, now that the backyard is a little bit clean, I wanted to give you guys kind of a little walkthrough of what we plan to do. This is again going to be such a long process, but I thought we would bring you guys along. So right here, from here to here, we're going to do a pathway that goes down, and then we're going to do a pathway that goes here all the way to the stairs, and then I want to do like a brick pathway, and then come here we're gonna have like some raised beds, and then this is an outlet because I pre-planned and told Chris that I wanted a limestone mountain, so we're gonna put one of those there. And then on this side it is also gonna be a raised bed, so then when you are walking you can go down the pathway. Now this is the patio, which is a complete disaster right now. I can't not even believe that I'm showing you guys, but you know what? That is real life, and don't believe everything that you see on social media because this is our current backyard. So Chris dug this out, put gas here because I want like another limestone fireplace, like fire pit right there. And then of course like pretty outdoor furniture. I don't know if I want to like stone this part. I don't really know what I want to do quite yet, but I do know that I want the herringbone like brick here on the here as well, and then coming down here. And then we're just going to keep going. I thought it would be really cool to line the pathway with boxwoods, and then we'll do like other kind of plants in here with our creeping fig. I get lots of questions. This is creeping fig, and we are having it grow all over the rocks. I don't necessarily want it to cover the rocks completely, but I do want it to cover the majority of it. And then over here, do not mind all of our mess. This whole area right here is all going to be grass, and then right over here we are extending it because we want to put like an outdoor like little kitchen area, and then over there is my mother-in-law's area, so we just have it like paved out. She's just going to have like big concrete little, let me just show you really quick, big concrete little pads, and then in the middle we are going to put like ground cover. Right here, we're also doing a cement pad so that we can put a hot tub at some point. But I thought it would be so beautiful if there was like a big planter here and a big planter here, and then a big arch, because she's obsessed with roses, and so this is going to be kind of like our little rose garden. But I wanted to do like a big arch that goes up and over, and then have like a little gate so she has like her own like little private area. But Chris did this like a little while ago, so that's going to all be concrete, and then right in here, we were gonna do like ground cover. And then over here is just gonna be concrete. And then we're gonna build her like a little patio cover. This area right here is gonna be grass. And then up against the retaining wall that Chris built. So we are going to just plaster it and have it be like a smooth plaster. We're originally gonna do stone, but I thought it would just clash too much with the stone that we already have. Even if the creeping fig was to grow on it, I still just think it would be too much. But all in here, so Chris built out these little like pillar things, and we are going to put like a covered like gazebo, not like that one by the pool, but something else. Like I don't know, I just have so many visions of like climbing plants, roses, I don't know what yet, but this is going to be like a big old seating area. We're going to build like a plaster, I don't even know if plaster is the name of it. I'll leave like some inspo photos, but like up against here, I wanted like a pretty dining table with like a pretty light, and then we'll add some handrails to the stairs that we built. I really like the way that they are aging. And then I've showed you guys like when you walk up the stairs, like what you see. So this is just going to be a big project. It's been a huge project over the last like 3.5 years. It's hard because we always go inside and work because I want the inside to be pretty, but now is the time that we dedicate some space to this. Also, this right here is all of our pool equipment. So when we bought the house, we wanted the pool to be up on the top deck, and so this is just how it runs. So we're eventually going to plant a creeping fig that's going to cover that as well. So that is a little bit of a rundown of what we have in plans for the backyard. So funny because I thought we were going to have the concrete guys coming today, but they did not show up. So I was able to give you guys an idea of what we plan to do. So yeah. Okay, I was gonna save this for another video, but I thought I would do the downstairs first and then upstairs. But we're gonna do the concrete upstairs as well. So we are going to do a pathway that goes all the way up to the retaining wall with stairs right there. And then so we have this like big boulder, and then we're going to do the same thing here, which I'm wondering why they don't have it starting here going all the way up. But anyways, so it's going to wrap around the rock. And then this is my olive tree. And do you remember that bench that you saw in the on the patio, the one that I got on Marketplace? I'm going to put it under there so it has like a little seating area. And then let me show you. So all of this is going to be stairs. It's going to connect on this side and connect together. And then we're going to have retaining walls with plants in there, and then retaining walls on this side. And then in the middle, we're going to go all the way up the stairs. At the very top, it will lead to our fire pit. Another retaining wall right here and there. And then I want to put like cypresses along the fence right there, because then when you're up here, and this, if you guys have watched my channel for a while, that is my little snowball bush. And yeah, so this is like a cute little area for when you're sitting, you just like look out at the preserve. And then when you look down, that is the view from when you look down. So yeah.
I think I've blown it, I kinda know it. I'd say it's obvious you're fed up somehow. Been hesitating, pulling away with.
All right, you guys, that is it for today's video. I am so excited to get this project underway. I cannot wait to bring you guys along. So be sure to follow, because this is going to be a very long series, and I will see you guys in the next one.